Too much crap here. Pimp bot can stay. I miss him so much. GoPro. I don't even play League of Legends. How do I open them? Argos bags. What do you even say? Warning, to avoid dangerous suffocation, keep this plastic bag away from babies and children. Do not use this bag in cribs, beds, carriages, or playpens. This bag is not a toy. Could be a toy. Keep baby bag. I'm taking it out of the actual box. There you go. Look at it go. How do I open you? Oh. Oh yeah, 100 is definitely the way. Go away, Discord. Oh yeah, I have no idea if that worked. Get the fuck League of Legends out of here. Oh, is that lift up with that? What? What are you? Why don't you work? That's it. Frickin'. What does it say? Help? What the f- Can't do this to me. It looks like it opens up, but it doesn't. It looks like you pull it out, but you don't. You gotta pull it out. How do I do this? I don't have a frickin'... It hasn't been nearly 7 minutes for me. Wow, look at that. Oh. That worked so well. Look at this stupid tab. I don't care. Who are you? 7 seconds is a pretty long time to jump into a pool, dude. Do I get to keep this? I don't care about the camera that much. I just want to see the accessories. Is this a door? Am I not supposed to open this? Why is that a freaking pull tab then? Don't look at the fire hazard in the corner. Okay, Hey. Oh. You open it from the back. I can't read. Yeah, why is it so hard to open? Yes, there we go. Give me the charger or something, dude. Jesus. No, wait, actually, give me a charger. Yes, this is all I wanted. Oh, type C. At least it's A to C. Are you ramen sachet? AIB? What does that say? VHB. I don't know what that means. Excuse me? 3M VHB, thanks. 2 noodle flavor packets. Oh, you're the box to jam my finger into. Okay. This doesn't explain anything. What are you hiding from me? What am I missing? Am I touching the lens? Oh, Jesus. I screwed off. Oh, no. Oh, God. What did I do? Wow, that's hefty. Are you usable? I can't tell. It all feels the same. No, I'm still convinced I can take you off, but I have no idea how. Do I not get a thing for this to go on a tripod? Hold on. How do I attach that? Oh, jeez. Do I? Here? Oh yeah, give me that reflection. Oh, there we go. Update, there's no thing on the bottom. And it's like rubberized. That's super nice. Who are you? Is he there forever? I hope he doesn't show up in the videos. I still don't know if I use this. Are you useful? I should probably read the manual. Oh, there's a scratch on the Asian dude. He's 12 pixels big. I can't tell. Oh. Okay, never mind. It actually will work. Oh. That's sticky. Why is that sticky? What's on that? Yeah, that'll definitely go in. Oh, it's for holding the camera in place. So that's for flat and that's for round. Do they have GoPro branding? Oh, hell yeah. The corner's sharp. Oh, look at that. Dented. Expect lower quality content in the future now. He's staying on. I'm not taking him off.